Hey everyone, and welcome back to Boss Talk English.
Welcome back.
Today we are talking about a very useful topic for English learners.
A topic that can help you at school, at work, while traveling, and when meeting new people.
Today's lesson is about introducing yourself in English.
And we will also practice easy small talk for beginners.
We will use simple English,
Clear English,
natural English.
and useful English.
By the end of this lesson, you will know how to say your name, ask someone's name, say where you are from, talk a little about what you do, and keep a short conversation going.
We will also practice questions like, "How are you?" and other easy small talk questions.
Let's start with the most basic part of introducing yourself.
Your name.
One easy way to introduce yourself is to say, I'm Jay.
And I can say, "I'm Maya."
Very simple.
Very natural.
You can also say, my name is Jay.
And my name is Maya.
Both are correct.
I'm is a little more natural in everyday conversation.
My name is can sound a little more formal, but it is still very common.
Let's practice both.
I'm Jay.
I'm Maya.
My name is Jay.
My name is Maya.
Here are a few more examples.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Hello, I'm Jay.
Hi, my name is Maya.
Hello, my name is Jay.
So when you meet someone, you can start with hello or hi and then say your name.
For example, hi, I'm Jay.
Or, hello, my name is Maya.
Now let's learn how to ask another person's name.
This is very important.
One common way is, what's your name?
What's your name?
That is simple and correct.
Another common way is, what is your name?
That means the same thing, but what's your name sounds more natural in conversation.
You can also say, and you?
Yes,
For example, if I say, I'm Maya, I can then say, and you?
and then I can say, I'm Jay.
Let's hear a few short conversations.
Hi, I'm Jay. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Here is another one.
Hello, my name is Jay. And you?
I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let's add one important phrase.
Nice to meet you.
You use this when you meet someone for the first time.
After you say your name, you can say, nice to meet you.
And the other person can say, nice to meet you too.
Or just, nice to meet you.
Let's practice.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Hi, I'm Jay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Another example.
Hello, my name is Maya. What's your name?
I'm Jay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let's move to the next part of introducing yourself.
Where are you from?
This is a very common question.
Especially when you meet someone new.
You can ask, where are you from?
Where are you from?
And you can answer, I'm from Canada.
Or, I'm from Brazil.
Or, I'm from Spain.
Or, I'm from Japan.
Very simple pattern.
I'm from, and then your country or city.
Let's practice some examples.
I'm from London.
I'm from New York.
I'm from Mexico.
I'm from Italy.
You can also say, I come from. But I'm from is easier and more common for beginners.
Yes, I'm from is the best one to start with.
Let's build a short conversation.
Hi, I'm Jay. What's your name?
I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. How about you?
I'm from the United States.
Great.
Now let's talk about another common question.
What do you do?
What do you do?
This question can mean, what is your job?
Or, what do you do in daily life?
It is a common small talk question.
You can answer it in many simple ways.
For example, I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
I work in an office.
I work in a shop.
I'm a nurse.
I'm an engineer.
I work in customer service.
If you do not want to give a long answer, a short answer is fine.
Very fine.
Let's practice a few.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
What do you do?
I'm a driver.
What do you do?
I work from home.
Nice.
Now let's connect name, country, and work in one conversation.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Hi, I'm Jay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Ireland.
Nice. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student.
That is a very natural beginner conversation.
Yes, short, polite, and easy to follow.
Now let's talk about how are you?
This is one of the most common questions in English.
Many conversations start with it.
You can ask, how are you?
Or, how are you today?
Or, how's it going?
But let's start with how are you?
If someone asks, how are you? Here are some easy answers.
I'm good, thanks.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm doing well.
Pretty good.
Not bad.
I'm okay.
You can also ask the question back.
That is polite.
For example, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Or, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Let's practice some mini conversations.
Hi, I'm Maya. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Another one.
Hello, my name is Maya.
Hi, I'm Jay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Very natural.
Now let's talk about simple small talk.
Small talk means short, friendly conversation.
It is the kind of conversation people have when they first meet, or when they want to be polite and friendly.
Small talk is usually light and easy,
Not too personal,
not too deep.
just friendly.
Here are some common small talk questions.
Where are you from?
What do you do?
How are you?
Is this your first time here?
Do you live here?
How's your day going?
Are you enjoying the event?
Those are all good examples.
For beginners, it is best to keep your questions simple.
And your answer is simple too.
Let's practice one new question.
Do you live here?
Do you live here?
You can answer, yes, I do.
Or, no, I don't.
For example, do you live here?
Yes, I do. I live near the city center.
Another one.
Do you live here?
No, I don't. I'm here for work.
Nice.
Another common question is this your first time here?
This is useful at events, classes, meetings, or travel situations.
You can answer, yes, it is.
Or, no, it isn't.
Let's hear it.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Is this your first time here?
No, it isn't. I come here often.
Very good.
Another good small talk question is, how's your day going?
How's your day going?
This is casual and friendly.
You can answer, it's going well.
Or, pretty good.
Or, not bad. Or, it's going okay.
Let's practice.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not bad, thanks.
Another one.
Hi, Maya. How's your day going?
It's going well. Busy day, but good.
Nice.
Now let's build longer conversations step by step.
First, a very simple introduction.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That is enough for a basic introduction.
But now, let's make it a little longer.
Hello, I'm Jay.
Hi, I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Nice.
That is still simple, but more complete.
Now, let's add work or study.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Hello, I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from France. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Nice. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I work in marketing.
Very natural.
Now, let's add, how are you?
Hi, I'm Jay.
Hi, I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from England. How about you?
I'm from Brazil.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Nice.
This is exactly the kind of conversation many beginners want to have.
Short, clear, and useful.
Now let's talk about asking questions politely.
Good idea.
English often sounds more friendly when you speak in a calm and polite way.
For example, what's your name is fine.
But saying, "Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name?" can sound even softer because you introduce yourself first.
That helps the other person feel comfortable.
The same is true for "Where are you from and what do you do?"
Ask naturally, not too fast, and with a friendly tone.
Let's compare.
What's your name?
Correct, but direct.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Better for a friendly conversation.
Where are you from?
Correct.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
More natural.
What do you do?
Correct.
So, what do you do?
More relaxed.
Now let's talk about one very useful phrase.
What about you?
What about you is great in conversation.
It helps you return the question.
For example, I'm from Italy. What about you?
Or, I'm a student. What about you?
Or, I'm doing well. What about you?
It is short and natural.
Let's practice.
I'm from Japan. What about you?
I'm from Australia.
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I work in a hotel.
I'm good, thanks. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very useful.
Now let's practice some real-life situations.
Situation 1. Meeting a classmate for the first time.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. What about you?
I'm from the UK.
Are you a student here?
Yes, I am.
Great.
Situation 2. Meeting a coworker.
Hello, I'm Maya from the sales team.
Hi, I'm Jay from support. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Situation 3. Meeting someone at an event.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Hi, I'm Jay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Same here.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands.
Nice.
Situation 4. Making small talk before a class starts.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
Situation 5. Meeting someone online.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Hi, I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Nice. What do you do?
I'm a designer.
Great.
Now let's look at some very short self-introductions.
These are helpful when you want to remember an easy pattern.
Example 1.
Hi, I'm Maya. I'm from Canada and I'm a student.
Example 2.
Hello, my name is Maya. I'm from Brazil and I work in a bank.
Example 3.
Hi, I'm Maya. I'm from Italy. Nice to meet you.
Very simple.
Beginners do not need long introductions.
A few clear sentences are enough.
Now let's practice asking and answering.
I will ask the questions.
And I will answer.
What's your name?
I'm Maya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Great.
Now I will ask and Jay will answer.
Ready.
What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ireland.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about common mistakes beginners make.
Yes, this part is important.
Mistake number 1. Saying too much too soon.
You do not need a very long speech.
Keep it simple.
Hi, I'm Maya. I'm from Spain. I'm a student.
That is enough.
Mistake number 2. Forgetting to ask the other person a question.
A conversation should go both ways.
So after you answer, ask something back.
For example, I'm from Mexico. What about you?
Or, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Mistake number 3. Using answers that are too short and stopping the conversation.
For example, what do you do?
Student.
That is not wrong, but it is a little cold.
Better. I'm a student. What about you?
Much better.
Mistake number 4. Sounding too formal all the time.
My name is Maya is correct.
But in normal conversation, I'm Maya often sounds more natural.
Mistake number 5. Being afraid of simple English,
Simple English is good English.
especially for beginners.
Do not try to sound perfect.
Try to sound clear.
Now let's do one full beginner conversation from start to finish.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Portugal. What about you?
I'm from England.
Nice. What do you do?
I work in IT. And you?
I'm a student.
Great.
Before we finish, let's review the most useful phrases from today.
I'm Jay.
My name is Maya.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
How's your day going?
Pretty good.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
What about you?
Very useful.
Very common.
Very natural. If you want to introduce yourself in English, you do not need difficult words.
You need simple words that you can say clearly and confidently.
Start with your name.
Ask the other person's name.
Say where you are from.
Say what you do.
Ask how they are.
Add one small talk question.
And smile.
That helps too.
It really does.
Thanks for joining us today.
We hope this lesson helps you introduce yourself in English with more confidence.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
And keep building your English step by step.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.